The red millipede, nature's silent recycler. Millipede, deep in forests, gardens, and damp soils around the world, lives a quiet and fascinating creature that most people rarely notice. It moves slowly, segment by segment, with dozens, sometimes hundreds, of tiny legs carrying it across the ground. This mysterious creature is the millipede, and despite its strange appearance, it plays one of the most important roles in nature. Millipedes belong to a group of animals known as arthropods, the same broad family that includes insects, spiders, and crabs. The scientific name for millipedes is diplopoda, a word that means double feet. This refers to the unique body structure of millipedes, where most of their body segments contain 2 pairs of legs instead of 1. Although the name millipede literally means 1,000 legs, most species do not actually have that many. Depending on the species, a millipede may have anywhere between 40 and 400 legs. One striking feature of the millipede seen here is its reddish or rust-colored body. In the animal kingdom, bright colors often serve as a warning to predators. For many millipedes, this coloration signals that they possess a chemical defense mechanism. Millipedes are found almost everywhere on Earth. They thrive in environments where moisture is abundant and sunlight is limited. Forest floors, gardens, under rocks, inside leaf litter, and beneath decaying logs are perfect homes for them. In tropical countries such as Nigeria, millipedes are especially common due to the warm climate and seasonal rains. You are most likely to see them after rainfall, when the ground becomes moist and conditions are ideal for their survival. But what exactly do millipedes eat? Unlike centipedes, which are fast-moving predators, millipedes are detritivores, meaning they feed primarily on dead and decaying organic material. Their diet consists of rotting leaves, decomposing wood, fungi, and other plant debris found on the forest floor. By consuming this decaying material, millipedes perform a crucial ecological function. They break down organic waste and return important nutrients back into the soil. This process enriches the soil and supports plant growth. In many ways, millipedes act as nature's recycling system, silently maintaining the health of ecosystems. Millipedes are also surprisingly long-lived compared to many other small creatures. While insects may survive only a few weeks or months, some millipede species can live between 2 and 10 years, depending on environmental conditions. Their growth is gradual. Young millipedes hatch from eggs laid in soil or decaying wood, and they begin life with only a small number of body segments and legs. As they grow, they molt their outer shell several times, adding more segments and legs with each stage of development. Despite their many legs, millipedes are very slow-moving animals. Because they cannot outrun predators, they rely on defensive strategies to survive. When threatened, a millipede typically curls its body into a tight spiral. This posture protects its soft underside while exposing its tougher outer shell to danger. But this is only their first line of defense. Many millipede species also release defensive chemicals from specialized glands along their bodies. These chemicals can produce an unpleasant odor and may irritate the skin of predators. Some of these substances contain compounds related to hydrogen cyanide, which helps deter animals from eating them. For humans, however, millipedes are mostly harmless. They do not bite, sting, or inject venom. If handled roughly, they may release their defensive fluid, which can cause mild skin irritation or temporary discoloration. Washing the skin with soap and water usually removes the irritation. Millipedes are also not dangerous to most animals. They do not hunt or attack other creatures. Instead, they focus entirely on feeding on decomposing material. Animals such as birds, frogs, lizards, and small mammals may occasionally attempt to eat them, but many predators quickly learn to avoid millipedes because of their unpleasant chemical defense. Another interesting fact is that millipedes are ancient creatures. Fossil evidence shows that their ancestors were crawling across the land more than 400 million years ago. making them one of the earliest animals to live on land. Over millions of years, they have evolved into thousands of different species spread across the globe. Some are tiny and barely visible, while others grow more than 30 centimeters long. Despite their unusual appearance, millipedes are not pests in most situations. In fact, they are extremely beneficial to the environment. By breaking down organic waste and improving soil quality, they help sustain plant life and maintain healthy ecosystems. So the next time you see a millipede slowly crawling across the ground after a rainfall, remember that you are witnessing one of nature's oldest and most efficient recyclers at work. Quiet, ancient, and essential to life on Earth, the millipede may be small, but its role in nature is truly enormous.